My type of guy,
My kind of woman.
he's got to be laid back and fun. Just got to have a good time.
She's got to be classy. A little bit of sass.
It's about living it up, you know?
Hopefully she comes from a wealthy family. I don't be dating no welfare queen.
Money doesn't matter to me. I mean, as long as we know how to have a good time together and love each other.
No gold diggers. She has to bring home her own bacon. You know what? Scratch that. I don't even like bacon. Turkey bacon.
I'm a vegetarian, but I go even further. I'm a vegan. I love animals. I have a dog.
I'm a cat kind of guy. As long as I don't shed. If I shed, you gotta shave and declaw 'em.
Me, I'm a Democrat. All the way.
Democrats. I hate Democrats.
Go Hillary.
He has to drive a Toyota. There ain't nothing else.
But I don't think cars really matter in the guy, as long as he doesn't drive a Toyota.
Fundamentalist Christian.
You got a great car. Yeah, what's wrong with it today? I used to have one too, baby. Oh, come and have a look. I really love your hairdo, yeah. I'm glad you like mine too. See, we're looking pretty cool. Get ya. So what do you do? Oh yeah, I wait tables too. No, I haven't heard your band, 'cause you guys are pretty new. But if you dig, I'm vegan food. Welcome over to my work. I'll have them cook you something that you really love. 'Cause I like you, yeah, I like you. And I'm feeling so bohemian like you. Yeah, I like you, yeah, I like you. And I feel, wow.
Hey, welcome to Grocery Mart. Would you like paper or plastic? Actually, we don't have paper.
You guys don't have paper? Then I guess I'll take plastic.
You want me to help you out with that?
Yeah, my Jeep's parked over there if you want to help me walk it.
Is it parked next to a Toyota?
Yeah, you have a Toyota?
Yeah. You want to go on a date?
Okay.
Hi, welcome to Outback Steakhouse. What can I get for you?
Do your burger have any animal products in it?
Yes.
How about your Caesar salad?
Yeah.
The tofu turkey thing?
This is a steakhouse.
Then I'll have a tomato with salt.
And you, sir?
I know what I want. I want a double cheeseburger with extra bacon, extra cheese, and no vegetables.
All right.
I didn't order a steak because I'm a vegan. Good choice.
Okay then. You watch American Idol?
I don't talk politics.
So you want to go out tomorrow night?
Yeah, sure. What should we do?